Yes guys, welcome back to Step on Golf and welcome back to YouTubers Go Golfing episode 3. You guys really loved episode 1 and 2, so I'm delighted to have the series back for the new year. Today I'm going to be taking on once again one of your favourite YouTubers having a go at golf, almost for one of their first time. That's what this series is all about, getting new people into golf, and what a great setting. We come indoors this time to Puttshack, a very different way to play the game of golf. Not just about how many shots you get, how many points you get. There's all sorts of great ways to earn points on some of these holes. I can't wait to show you the course, and I cannot wait to introduce you to today's guest. But before we get into that, if you are new around here, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you do enjoy this one, make sure you drop a like on it and share it around. Anyway, let's go and see who we're taking on today. Right, so here we are, the guest of episode 3, none other than Mr. Laurence McKenna. How
really
are you,
good.
Oh, we're going back on. Oh, how nice.
On camera as well.
So look, we can all be friends. Everyone involved in the Wembley Cup, we're all still friends, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's no referees involved today, so we're alright, right?
Yeah. Thank God, thank goodness.
Those guys are on your payroll. Wow, it's awkward already.
So this could be the third place playoff we never had. Hashtag United versus Exeter.
Presenting, yeah. I feel like I'm alright with that. That's good. Yeah.
It's time, mate. This is for the bronze medal. Effectively.
Yeah.
But it's bigger than that. This is for no one's beaten me yet at this series. Spencer drew, but no
that's a loss in a way for you.
Yeah, that's true. He is not letting me forget that.
No, yeah.
But guys, you know how this series works. I'm going to ask Laurence some very simple, multiple choice questions. But because we're at Puttshack, we're not on a normal mini golf today. It's not just about how many strokes you make.
Right.
It's about the way you do it.
Right.
They say in golf there's no pictures on the scorecard, but there actually almost is this time.
Right, I like that.
So basically, how you go about it, there's some fantastic holes here we're going to go and see on one of the courses. 9 holes we're playing, and each question you're going to not get a shot head start, you're going to get 10 points head start.
This isn't normal golf, I like it, okay.
Exactly. So what is your golfing background? How much golf have you or have you not played?
Lessons as a kid.
Okay.
Christmas present, and I was told I was alright. I was told, sure, you can make the tour.
Which tour?
I don't remember them saying which tour. That was the problem. Yeah, the Ricky Gervais tour. You know what? I'm excited because I've not done this in ages, and I'm looking for new date ideas. So
there you go. This could be the one.
Great. Yeah,
it's brilliant for date night. Yeah. So this honestly is a great venue. We're about to get on to the first tee, but before we do that, we're going to ask you some questions.
If this is current golf stuff,
it's multiple choice. You're going to be all right.
If the answer is Rory McIlroy, I'm going to be all right.
Do you want me to pre-select Rory McIlroy?
That'd be great. Yeah, that'd be fantastic.
Okay. First question for 10 points, effectively.
Right.
Who was the best performing player at the most recent Ryder Cup? Was it Tiger Woods?
Yeah.
Was it Ian Poulter?
Yeah.
Or was it Francesco Molinari?
I'm going to go Molinari. I feel like it was Tiger Woods now, though.
It was Molinari. Tiger Woods had a shocking Ryder Cup.
I knew this.
Shocking. A little bit of a red herring in there, but you know your stuff. Right, question number 2.
Right.
Where is the 2019 Open Championship going to be held? Is it St Andrews? Is it Portrush? Or is it the Belfry?
I almost played at Belfry once.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Great golf.
They wouldn't let me on. No, it's not.
Sorry. Take your time. B, Portrush.
Yeah.
He's got middle bins. He's come out with his one.
Yes.
Unbelievable. Well played to you.
Okay, this is not bad.
Good.
This is not
very
bad.
Good.
That was you took away the options slowly. You just thought it can't be there, can't be there, there.
Process of elimination.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Question number 3. This one might get you. Don't know. No, I think you'll get this. What is another name for the 60-degree wedge? Is it a lob wedge? Is it a niblet? Or is it a flat iron?
Interesting. I feel like maybe I've seen an L in a bag, so I'm going to go A.
Lob wedge?
Yeah, I feel like I might have seen a...
3 out of 3.
Really?
30 points. Oh, I'm in all sorts of trouble.
That's from golfing backgrounds, because I've seen the L. Do you know what I mean?
Uh-oh. My crown is on the line today.
Maybe you're going to see the L.
I think at this point, it's not looking great. Which of the below has not won one of golf's 4 major championships? Has not won a major championship. So, Justin Rose, Sergio Garcia, Lee Westwood.
I'm going to go Lee Westwood, because I feel like Lee Westwood is famous, but didn't quite make it.
Oh my God, 4 out of 4. I am banging trouble.
Unbelievable.
Not only has no one ever beaten me at this, but no one's ever got all 5 right. Okay, for the clean sweep. What is the nickname for one of the greatest ever living golfers, Mr. Jack Nicklaus? Won more majors than anybody.
The guy that most people go, I love Jack Nicholson.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wrong Batman.
Yeah.
Okay, is it Mac Daddy Jack? Is it the Golden Bandit? Or is it the Golden Bear?
I'm going to go C, just out of pure chance.
Which was
the final answer. It wasn't gold. It wasn't Mac.
Golden Bear.
Yeah, Golden Bear.
He's done it. Clean sweep.
Really?
5 out of 5. I am absolutely banging trouble. That means Laurence is going to start with, he's going to get 50 points added onto his score at the end. So what you'll see here at Puttshack is, yes, it does count how many strokes you make, but based on how you get there, if you get it in what's called as the supercharge, in the green lights, it goes in, you get bonus points. If you go in hazards, you get points taken off you. Points make prizes, and you got 50 of them.
I'm going to be aiming for the hazards.
I'm in trouble.
Puttshack, baby, Puttshack.
Right, before we do go to the first day, I almost forgot, Laurence. You
Yeah.
gotta pick your putter. You got a magic wand, 3 to choose from. Choose wisely. All tailor-made spider putters. You got with the mini spot. Oh no, he's just weighing them up. That's the mini.
I'm going with that. I like a little weight on the end.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Well, I'm going to go with my rusty trusty. This
Really?
one. And let's
That's
go on the first
beautiful.
tee.
Yeah, in my head. Right. Let's just go all money. All money. Right, ready?
I know what all money means. So I can't wait to see it. It's off. He's missed the supercharge. He's missed
But
the
thankfully I
hazard.
missed that. That's all right. Yes, go, go, go. That's lovely.
Very
That's
nice.
that sat up beautifully, hasn't it? See that?
Oh my gosh.
2. In 2.
Two,
That's
very
not bad.
good.
That's
So
not
you can
bad.
now see hole in 2.
That's not bad.
Means 40 points.
That's not bad.
Very good, mate.
So I didn't get the extra 10.
No extra, but
I'm
no
not-
minus.
I'm not upset with that, if I'm honest.
He's valuable.
Absolutely trounced me here, so I really need to get ahead while I can. Just keep the camera on him though, he's a star, mate.
Right, here we go. Come on, Zippy. Super tube. Start with a banger. Dip, dip. Oh! No super tube.
I
It's
mean,
going to be the easiest of 2s.
I'll give you that. I'll
Thank
give
you,
you that.
mate.
But you've got to put it in, I know, just to complete it. There you go.
Thank you, thank you.
So
Nice
both
2.
released in very
40
similar ways.
points,
Yeah.
and we're on to hole 2. Right, so hole number 2. Very
Brilliant.
simple. This is like the roulette wheel.
Yeah.
Simple, really. You've got red and black. You go anywhere. Anyway, what happens is this comes back in your feet. You're going to come out of one of the holes.
Yeah.
If you go in red or black, you'll come out of the worst hole. Maybe you have to play over the hill. If you get it in the bonus ones, you'll come out of the nice hill with a nice
Beautiful.
little tap and tap.
I'm going to be honest, I mean, because this isn't going to affect you at all, I'm going to go for the goal.
Well, absolutely.
We're going for goal.
Oh, he's got there, though. Oh, he's in the bonus! He's in the bonus!
That's fantastic, look at that. Now,
He's
here's the
coming.
tricky part, right?
For another 2. Oh my god. Great putt. Oh, he's even got a great putt from the machine. Oh, you got 50 for that because you got it in the bonus. You got the bonus 10, of course.
I know. Grandad.
Crikey.
Oh, mate, stop.
Here we go. It's coming.
Keep going, just keep going.
I'm going to make this 2.
Wow.
All I can do is just keep in with an arm's distance to be honest.
You know what, that was lovely. You know, I've learned something, I've picked something up, it's the follow through. The follow through is important, yeah.
You want to say it's like a pendulum, you want to go back through as far as you went back.
Yeah, it's Newtonian almost. Third hole. This is lovely, by the way. Sergeant Patter's club band, this is great.
I think the idea is bounce it off all the drums, hit the cymbal, hold it on, mate. Well, it's got hard. Oh, I don't believe it! I do not believe it! Oh, great shot! Hard. Oh, I don't believe it! I can't believe what you've done. You've skipped 2 of the drums, you've still got a super tune. Come on, Debbie.
Oh!
Try to do it the old-fashioned way. Can't miss this.
It's the follow through.
It's another solid 2, but it doesn't. It's not enough. Can't keep up with this guy.
People on XO mistake my demeanour for smugness. Do not mistake this demeanour for lack of smugness. I am so smug, I'm a 3rd.
He's literally playing perfect golf right now. Right, 4th hole.
General knowledge.
General knowledge, yeah, it's true actually. There is a super tube, you go straight up the path, you get pretty much guaranteed holding 1, bonus points,
Yeah.
but if you don't, there's going to be, when you register your ball, you'll get a general knowledge question up there.
Yeah.
And based on, not golf related I don't think, and based on what you think, you can then choose to take a path, yes or no. If you get the question right, you get bonus points.
Right.
If you get it wrong, you will lose points. But it's all irrelevant if you get it in the super tube.
Right. Frank Beard is the only member of ZZ Top without a beard.
Ooh.
I know who ZZ Top are.
Oh, hang on.
Right.
Oh no.
Okay, tragedy. It's going to have to be a no.
Oh, it's strong as well. Is this the first chink in the
Screw it
armour?
up, huh?
first tube in the game so well.
That's lovely though.
Oh, are you kidding me? How have I not hit it?
It's that horrible feeling.
Sri Lanka was the first country to have a female prime minister. I mean, I'm going to go yes. Come on, be yes. Do it for the women. Right answer. Get in! Come on! Yes! He needed it. It's a bit lucky, I'm not going to lie.
It is a little.
40 points, I've only gained 5 on
Only
it.
5 points on
No, 50 for the 10 bonus.
It's only 15 though, isn't it?
So I've taken the lead, but
Have you?
not with the advantage, not with the head start. No.
Oh, by 5.
He's tight.
45 points difference. I'm feeling.
Please take your
Gutted, I wanted that super tube. Go on, baby. Yes!
Oh!
Come on! Get in the one. Get in the one. Boom!
Wow. I mean,
Needed it.
one.
Time to step up and be counted. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, oh! What does that do though? That does nothing. That's nothing good though. No, it's not terrible. Just get your head over it and, you know, relax.
You can't argue with the two.
You can't argue.
You can't argue with that. Right. It's got like a prize wheel. You break the glass on the prize wheel, you get through, you get a shot to win bonus points or a prize, but also it means your first shot doesn't count. There's a second chance for a hole in one. If you don't get in the prize wheel, you're back and your second shot will be from there. Okay, the gap is getting smaller. Get up, get up. It's up.
Right. Is it going to come down well for it? That's not great.
So
That's
that
a
now
tight
means
angle.
this is in, it counts as a hole in one.
Get a free drink if that's
And
so
a free drink.
Unbelievable.
Come on.
Right.
Come on, Seven.
Come on, Seb.
Chances, chances, chances. He's in now. He's in now. Dare to dream, boys and girls. Dare to dream. Come on! Oh, he's done it.
Make it around it.
Right.
I wanted to get up and over that. Do you know what I mean? And now it's coming down nice and slow. Nice and slow. Sit. Stay.
nice.
Good.
It's on its
Oh,
way.
mate, that's terrible.
You're backing off?
No.
Why?
2 though. I'll take that.
It's a very
What
solid
a shame.
two. You get mugged off by the computer.
Quite patronising, I
Yeah,
felt, by the
little.
computer, but that's alright. I'm alright.
Okay, keeping the honour. I'm going to try and keep my cool here. It's for a hat trick for hole in one, girl.
Try it. Try it. Keep it cool, mate.
I'll give it my best shot. Super tube. Ducky doo-doos. No, he's missed the duck. Okay, the streak is over, but we'll take a 2 if I can knock that in.
Beautiful stroke.
Thank you very much.
2. That's 2.
Oh, I think he's got it. Oh!
That's not great either. Over
Solid.
there.
Oh, it's left and right to do. I tell you.
Yeah, that is tricky. That's alright though.
Oh, well
It
done.
was never in doubt. Never in doubt.
Well
there.
played, mate.
It's alright. Yeah.
Penultimate hole. This hole looks like you got options. You fall short, you get in the plus points. You're going to be in over there, have a much longer putt. Super tube, obviously, is super tube. We're not super tube. It's a hole in one. 60 points. Have hit it. Have hit it.
He's got it. That's a lovely shot.
Yes. In.
Congratulations!
Right. Wow.
Thank you very much.
No, it's -10 as well. That's not good, is it?
Where's it coming out?
Comes out there. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. That's okay. I'm alright. I'm fine with that.
I'll be honest with you, you've not had any, you've had one suspicious hole, I'll say.
Suspicious.
Okay, it all comes down to this. The end of the hole, there is no hole as such. Wherever the ball lands is what points you're getting.
Conceptual.
So, I mean, points make prizes. Look at that. I think the green is going to be clearly the 50 with a probably bonus for a 60.
Yeah.
The scores are currently very, very tight.
Yeah.
So basically, I'm going to be going first. You're going to know exactly what you need to win.
That's
A
lovely.
strong finish.
Strong finish.
That's a really strong finish.
Right, so Laurence, I know you're
Total score 445.
Oh! It hit the bottom of the 50.
Great finish.
It hit that.
Mate, that was very, very
I'm
good.
not upset by that. And I had some great holes. I've made some great memories. It's just, It's just been so lovely to come on and just play with you. So thanks for this. You've made my day.
Points make prizes in this game. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Lawrence, thanks so much for coming
Thanks
down.
for having me on, mate.
I've really enjoyed it. It's great to have Lawrence on my channel. I've been on your guys' channel a couple of times on the podcast. And also an EXO and all these things. Guys, you probably already subscribed to Laurence and all the EXO guys, but if you're not, there's a link down below to EXO, to Lawrence's Instagram.
Yeah, well, we're trying to get as many followers, as many subscribers on a channel I haven't uploaded to yet.
Perfect.
So go over there, literally Lozcast, just search it and see what you can do.
Lozcast will be linked down below. Get over there to Lawrence's unuploaded channel. Who knows, maybe one day there'll be a video on there, you can be the first to see it. Is that likely or not?
Yeah, very, very highly likely. It's going to be called Laurence on Golf. See you guys later.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. We're done. Hope you enjoyed another episode of YouTubers Go Golfing. Leave me a comment down below who you want to see me take on next, and I'll see you again soon.